And as I walk through the valley of death, my voice echoes out through the night. Lord, Lord, whatever your reason, don't believe the reason right.
Hello YouTube. Here's the thing. My wife's always saying I'm talking shit, so I'm gonna talk shit this time. You know, it's one thing. We should all have video threads. What's one of the things that sucks the most when you're in your garage? Well, here's first sucky thing in the garage is that when you're in the garage late at night, my house is 5 minutes away, and I don't have a bathroom, and all of a sudden I have to go. That's sucky number one. I could use third tree in the right, but I don't have a bin that, holds the brown stuff, and that's probably too much information, but that's one of those sucky things about not having a bathroom in the garage. And if I put a toilet in, it's going to be the toilet and the water pipe comes up right in front of my milling machine. So if I put a toilet in here, it means I have to heat the garage all year long, and my toilet's going to be sitting right in front of the milling machine. So I could become a mill operator and just sit there all day and operate the toilet in front of the mill. That would be really cool. Be like those DJs where they install the toilet in the DJ booth and the guy just sits there booming all night. He's got to go. He just sits down, keeps the rave going, but just keeps on going. Yeah, kind of like that. So anyway, like, subscribe, and maybe I won't put this video up. Maybe I shouldn't put it up. But yeah, I probably will because I'm an idiot.